All right, in this video, I'm going to explain about what I said about Apple about a week ago and Netflix CRBP. So these plans are going to be explained, where they were posted and how everything worked out. So before we'll go to the first thing, we'll go quickly to the Apple, what I said here. And so those people interested to see what I said about Apple. Now, by the way, before I posted this, I had a few weeks before, you have to look between September the 10th to the 14th, I posted some great winning option trades in Apple, at least 400 to 500% gains, depending on what option strategy you used. But on the lowest risk option strategy, it was the lowest gain, but it was at least 400%. All right, but after that, I posted the successful trade. I said this: Apple is not the best setup stock to use options right now. My video will explain key important facts. So what I want you to do, if you want to know more about Apple, click on that video. But if you want to also learn about what I said about Netflix and how following other stocks instead of Apple right now. Now I'm a big bull on Apple, but if it's not ready, it's not ready, right? So you got to leave it alone. So anyways, let's go to Netflix, people. And this is a follow through. By the way, this plan here that I posted was yesterday inside of power target trades, and I'll explain about that later. But let's talk about what I did here. And then don't forget, I also posted this one, which was posted on the 30th inside of power target trades. You can click on that chart and find out. But let's talk about this one today. And I want to talk about this. So I made a new plan from my September the 30th plan, and I decided that since we were using the October 07 100 calls, I switched it over to and we exited them and all. I switched it over to using a little bit more time, October 14th 105 calls, because this is the closing price, right? And I explained that Netflix needs to show us the power once again by breaking over 104 on some good action volume. 1.4 million, 1.5 million on a 50-minute chart is a good sign. If the volume is less than that, then watch this base above 104 and let this show power towards 104.50. So basically, the entry was in this area, in the higher area, before it became very clear. Because in theory, as you see these targets I'm making, this is a stock that has been developing a plan. And now there's a lot of fundamental negativity on Netflix, but I'm talking about these plans are technical based. So, and technical always can outshine the fundamentals in certain, sometimes short term, right? Nothing's 100%. There's no guarantee that we're going to that, but my plans were, when we're trying to catch, I'm looking for stocks that are set up to make decent moves, and if they do, we catch them. Sometimes you get in a successful trade and you're making 50%, but it's not acting correctly, you got to get out. Sometimes you get in a successful trade and you're making 100%, and you got, just like this one here, we got out of it, but it worked. If you held, but you know what? There was caution this day. It wasn't a short, it wasn't a long. It had to reconfirm, and this is a new plan, and that's part of a strategy. In this case, I needed to go a second entry, but it was successful once again. So there you have, people. That's about all I'm going to say about Netflix. Now, let's talk about another triggered stock, by the way. Now, at the time I made the Netflix, it was the only one. So I posted this CRBP on the power trigger trade stream, by the way, and I did this on purpose. I posted some stuff in power plan trades, power target trades. They're the same thing. You'll understand later on. And I also posted this on some stocks on the regular stream, for everybody to see. And this one triggered, by the way, it triggered today, right? Here it is, right? And let's go to September the 29th, and I'll open up the chart, okay? Because in this video we're going to scroll down my stream, and again I advise you to scroll and study my stream. Okay, if you're looking for quick bucks every day, you're going to be a loser. But if you want to learn how to really make money, you need to follow me carefully and study. All right, now let's find that. Here it is. This is another one that out of the other pharmaceuticals haven't confirmed yet. They didn't confirm, but this one today did. Now let's take a look what I said here. So here it was posted December 29th, okay? Plenty of time, way before the move of CRB. Okay, demonstrating these plans to people, because I'm telling you, people are blind. People are blind to the truth. I make these videos, I show the proof, and the point is, these plans, they teach you what to do, what to look for. They're powerful, what I make, for those who want to learn and understand. Most people are born to lose. I'm trying to help the top 10% who really want to learn how to make money. And I have a lot of followers that tell me, they thank me all the time. And you know what? You know what it costs to become a follower? Nothing. Anyways, let's go on. Takes you being dedicated. That's all it takes. Anyways, here he goes. I said CRB needs to break above 750 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 400K on a 15-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, then look for basing above 750 and a power push towards $8. Well, people, easily, if you followed this advice, you could have easily got into this stock a little bit below $8 on good confirmation, because it had the volume. That's a fact of the matter. You're looking probably around the 780 area. You look at your charts, look what I said, and look what happened. So there it is, CRB. But I'm explaining it. You're hearing it from Power Trigger Trade. Power Trigger Trade. All right. So let's go back to the charts. All right, people. So the facts are here. I suggest people study my stream. Now, if you like what you're seeing, and you've been following for a while, and you want to become a follower on Power Target Trades, the key is you got to become a follower first on Power Plan Trades. This is the way it is. I don't just accept anybody. So follow the rules. So you click on this link, and what I'm going to suggest you do, and I only put these videos certain times of the day. This Friday, I will be releasing the new video on how to be a follower on Power Plan Trades. Take action when it is up if you like my plans, because I'll tell you right now, I don't care. I'm only taking people that are appreciating what I'm doing, that are studying, and when I make the video and explain, give the instructions, here's what the stats show me. The serious followers, the people that are serious, that do well, have no problems and are able to take instructions perfectly. You know what people who don't make it in? The trolls, lazy motherfuckers. Excuse my language. This is the truth. Most people are geared to lose money in the market, and I'm going to tell the truth. They are designed to lose money in the market because they don't have the discipline to wait for the confirmation. And you need to study, and you need to learn how to actually enter trades. And the people that do always do well. And people, every time they see these successful trades, they flock. But you want to become successful, you've got to put in you've got to be paying attention to the market. I'm taking the time in these videos to help people, to tell them the facts and truth. But let me tell you, people are blind. So anyways, look out for the video. You're going to see it here on the pinned tweet. Always look at the pinned tweet. That's where I'll post a message of what's going on, how to become a follower on Power Plan Trades. What you do to find Power Plan Trades, you type Power Plan Trades in the search, right? But don't worry about that right now. I'll be explaining that in the video. I wanted to explain the trades, okay? Again, everything that I post can be found in my streams. Either they're posted on Power Trigger Trade, or they're posted on Power Plan Trades. So if you want to see all my plans, like read what I'm saying, look at this. I even explain this, what to do, people. Now another place that if you want to look at and see more videos, because where I hosted it, right? I created another site to help people. Give me 1 second. Let me open it up here. Here it is. Power Target Trades on YouTube, right? I just started this recently. This tells me about the views and stuff. It's not like a big deal, but like I said, most people are going to lose money in the market. I'm really catering to the people who really want success. They're tired of losing money, and they want to succeed. And I have there's going to be a lot of great videos. You're going to hear a lot of great testimonials, unlike anything you ever heard before, people. And this is all done for free. Anyways, come to this thing. Here's a video list, and I want to point you out to a video. You see this here, September 15th. SPY, February 11 reversal plan. See, people, if you're a serious follower and you want to really learn about me, a lot of people have discovered me through that video. This is kind of reposted video, but this is something as I made a long time ago, February 11th. This is documented on my stream. This can be found on my stream if you want to scroll down to February 11th, the actual chart plan that you're seeing in the video. I actually painfully scrolled down to show this, to make this video. I suggest you see this video. It's up to you. So there you have it, people. Thanks for listening. 1 second. I want to end it off like this. Give me a second. Here, let's go over here. All right, people. So there's all the information. I suggest you read and pay attention. Thanks for listening. Like the video.